Hello. Uh, According to your requirements in our 3CX CRM connector, we have done some changes. So, for managing your users inside the Odoo, we have added the one field called the extension number. So, what you need to do is create your all the users in the Odoo, and you have to add this extension number which is unique to the all the user. So you have to add that extension number to the respective users. Now the second thing is, if you go to general settings, then you can find one block called 3CX CRM connector, where you'll find these three options. The one is the lead source type. Here, if you want to create the contact when any number or the message or the call is received, then you can select this option. If you want to create the lead, then you can select this option. If you want to create the both contact and the lead, then you can select the lead into the both into the lead source type. Now second option is open record. So here, if you have selected the contact, then any call is received, and it will be automatically redirected to contact. If you have selected the CRM lead, then if you receive a call from your 3CX browser, then it will be automatically redirected to the lead. The third option is for journaling model. So if you have selected the lead source type both, then here you can specify in which model your chat journaling or call journaling in the chatter will be. So if you have selected the contact, then in chatter of the contact, the data will be shown. If you have selected the CRM lead, then into the lead, the data will be shown in that chatter. Or if you have selected the both, then in contact and CRM lead, in both chatter, the data will be shown. So these are the configuration you need to do. Now if you save it, right now I'm keeping the contact for the lead source type, so it will create the contact for the any incoming call or messages. Now if I go to contacts and 3CX CRM configuration, here we have to download the template. Now once this is done, then you can move to your 3CX instance. Here you have to go to integration, and here you have to add the downloaded template and enable these two options. Along with that, you need to go to settings and integration. Here you have to enable this option. Now I'm calling the system, the number. So here you can see it redirected the contact. Also into the contact chatter, you can find the details of your call. Now if we if you want to check the chat journaling or if you received any messages from the chat. Now this will also be created as a contact. Here you can find the chat details. Now if you get the missed call from any number, now it will be assigned as an activity to that user, which you can see the mark demo, which has the extension number assigned. So activity will be assigned to that user. Also in a chatter you can get the data. Now if you go to settings and here if you have selected lead source type as a CRM lead, now if you have received any call or any messages, then it will be created into CRM lead. Here you can see the lead is generated from the call. Also that was a missed call, so a missed call follow-up is also created. And into the chatter you can see the call details. And the salesperson is also assigned, which is mark demo, which have the extension number of which we have called just right now. Now if we have selected the option of lead source time into both, so it will create a record into the contact and the lead both. Here if we have selected the journaling model contact, then into the contact the journaling will be done. So here if we have selected the journaling model, then the data will be displayed in that. You can see. So here based on your this configuration, the CRM lead or contact will be created and in the chatter the data will be displayed. If you have any other queries or question, feel free to contact us.